Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about CPAGrip. CPAGrip is a website that allows people to earn money by promoting offers from different companies. It's free to sign up and they offer a wide variety of offers to promote, ranging, ranging from apps and games to survey and sign-ups. So let's head to the website. So as we see, the interface shows money and the fists. Very simple and means you will get money. So here, let's register. Checking if the search connection is secure. Connection is secure. So let's continue to sign up. We have a lot to fill. We have the first name. I love my keyboard. The first name, the last name, the company, the website, no website. Street address, I remember I copied this address from an example of addresses in a website. So we have the country, I think this, and we have the state, the zip code, the phone number, we have the Skype. I don't have a Skype. So let's fill up with the I don't know, like WhatsApp. Why they are allowing people to write here? Name. Oh. Uh. Okay, Messenger. Okay, let's put Skype again. Okay, I mean Skype, not Scope. And email name, let's just say Madara again. Oh. Okay, I'm committing some word mistakes. So next we have the publisher type, website, instant, email, GPT. Publisher type, uh, 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 others. Please don't tell me to write the others because I don't know what are you saying. No, I'm not using this password because all of you has seen it. Confirm the password again. I can't copy it from up and repaste it here. So choose a time zone. You know my country and you don't know my time zone. So we are +1. No, we just +1. Where are +00. Where did you hear about us? Believe me, I don't know. I have read and understand terms of services. I agree. I will not complete the offers myself. Duh. This is a little strange. I agree I will not complete the offers myself. I agree I will not use proxy VPN or boot software to complete the leads. Okay, but this is a bit tricky. Please complete the following required file. Wait, I have to. Okay, I agree to not complete the offers myself. You have what you need. No, no. Why do I want to save this information? No. Okay, yes. We have here a chat. No. Yes, you are so dumb. Next, what do we have? Account notice. Not verified. We have the payment notice. I have no payment method. Become a billionaire and they are starting by 10 cents. Okay, this is good. $4. $4 and what task? Oh, oh, hours. Yes. The higher it gets, the more you work. We have statistics and charts. They will be 0 because I didn't even start. We have the monetization tools. What are those? Content locker, your file locker, video locker, offer walls. We have offer shows, my offers, and other things that sound dangerous. We have post back tools, and we have program, invite people, earn money. We have, wait, I can give you my referral code under the video, and you join, and I make money. That's how it works. So don't watch the video in anywhere else. We have the payment center and account center. The payment center, this thing here, no payment method cancelled. It's obvious. Your tax documents are not currently on file. Good. Here we have the notification, the email. Hello Madara and welcome to CPAGrip. No thanks. Here we have the notification and alerts, and here we have the settings. We have the, wait, was this the, of course, it was dark from the beginning. We have the quick settings, chat enable, chat sound off, earning sound yes, common sound no. We have the logout. Where is, here, account settings, all the real settings. We have chat handle, we have account detail, country, address, city, state, zip code, we have phone. Here we have Skype, email address, experience settings. We have here the name, the company, UPA publisher. We have the password. Here you can change your password. Last login 3 minutes from. Okay, this is weird. Okay, this is really weird. So here, refer a friends. You click here, you get a code. You click on the code, you get as you share it with your friend. Your friend get the code, enter the website, log in, and you get 5% from their commissions. And this is how people make money. If you have a lot of friends, just share your link with them. So this is my link if you wanted to, but I don't. This is not a conseil, but I don't use this website. Yes, this is just for showing you how to use it.